Hello children, welcome to class 4th Maths, lesson number 2 numeration continue. Today we are going to see following topics. First 6 digit and 7 digit numbers, then Indian place value chart, then face value and place value, then ordering of numbers, then successor and predecessor. So our first topic is 6 digit and 7 digit numbers. So we have learned 5 digit numbers. So now we are going to learn 6 digit and 7 digit numbers. So we know that greatest 5 digit number is 99,999. Okay, so we are knowing that greatest 5 digit number is 99,999. So when we will add one more, then what will happen? So when we will add 1 to this 99,999, so what it will happen? So 99,999 plus 1 equal to how much we will get? 1 lakh, and is read as 1 lakh. See here, 99,999 plus 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. So 0 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. So 1 plus 9, 10. So again 0 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 9, 10. So again 0 will be write down and 1 will be carried over. So 1 plus 9, 10. So here also same way 0 we will write down and 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 9, 10. So how much we got? 1 lakh. So this is what? This is the smallest 6 digit number. This is what? 1 lakh. It is the smallest 6 digit number. So the largest 6 digit number is 9,99,999. Okay, so we will add 1 to this 9,99,999. So it will become 7 digit number. Okay, we will get 10 lakh. So previous this 9,99,999 is the largest 6 digit number. Now we will see about 7 digit number. So 1 more than 9,99,999. So how much we will get? So 9,99,999 plus 1 equal to how much we will get? 10 lakh. So this is the 7 digit number. See, when we will add 9,99,999 plus 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. So 0 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 9, 10. So 0 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Same way 1 plus 9, 10. So again 0 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now again 1 plus 9, 10. So 0 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 9, 10. So 0 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now here 1 plus 9, 10. So how much we got? 10 lakh. So 10 lakh is a 7 digit smallest number and it is read as 10 lakh. Now our second topic is Indian place value chart. So when writing 5 digit number, we group the first 3 digits from the right end under ones period. See, for example, we took 5 digit number 45,632. Okay, it is a 5 digit number, right? So what we will do, we have to do a comma. So what we will do, we will first consider these 3 digits, means ones, tens and hundreds place as in a ones period, and this 1000 place and 10,000 place we will group as a 1000. So between these we will put a comma. So we will read the digit 45,632, right? Now similarly, while writing 6 digit or 7 digit numbers, we group the next places under thousands period. So where we will do, we will group it is a thousands period. The next 2 places to the left are grouped under lakhs period. See now we will see how the periods are marked in the numerals. Consider the numeral 25,37,491. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a 7 digit number, right? So first 3 digits, that means ones, tens, hundred. This we will group as a ones, then thousand, then 10,000. This we will group as a thousands period. Then after 10,000, what will come? Lakh and 10 lakh. These two place we will group as a lakhs. Okay, so now we have to make a period. So between ones and 1000 we will make one period, means 1 comma, then after thousands and lakh we will put a next comma. So now we will read the digit 25,37,491. Now we can write in a place value chart, Indian place value chart. So first we will make it in a group. In ones we will write ones, tens and hundreds. Then in thousands we will make the 1000 and 10,000. In lakh under we will write lakhs and 10 lakhs place. Okay. So 1 is in the place of ones and 9 is in the place of tens. 4 is in the place of hundreds. 7 is in the place of thousand. 3 is in the place of 10,000, 5 is in the place of lakh and 2 is in the place of 10 lakh. So how we will read the number, that is 25,37,491. So now we will see one by one the place value. So the place value of 2 is, that is in the place of 10 lakh. So that is 20 lakh. What we will do, we will multiply 2 multiply by 10 lakh. So how much? 20 lakh. The place value of 2 is 20 lakh. Now the place value of 5, it is in the place of lakh. So what we will do, 5 multiply by lakh. So we will get 5 lakh. Then place value of 3, it is in the place of 10,000. So 3 multiply by 10,000. So we will get 30,000. Now place value of 7. So 7 is in the place of 1000. So 7 multiply by 1000. We will get 7,000. Now place value of 4. So 4 is in the place of 100. Okay, so 4 multiply by 100, we will get 400. Now place value of 9. So 9 is in the place of 10. So 9 multiply by 10, we will get 9 tens are 90. So place value of 9 is 90. Now place value of 1. It is in the place of 1. So we will write 1 multiply by 1. So 1 ones are 1. So place value of 1 is 1. So now here is the question. Place value of 3 in 25,37,491 is. So what is the place value of 3? So place value of 3 is 30,000 because it is in the place of 10,000. So we will multiply 3 multiply by 10,000. So we will get 30,000. So place value of 3 is 30,000. Now we will see next topic, face value and place value. Face value means what? All of you knowing the place value, right? Now this is the new one. Face value means the number itself. See, the face value of a digit is digit itself. Okay. See, for example, the face value, we want to find out the face value of 8 in 63,584 is the same. So we have to find the face value of 8 in 63,584. Okay, so same way, face value means the digit itself only. So the same only. So 8 face value is 8 only. See, consider the following chart. Here numerals, numbers are given. Here face value and place value. So first numeral is 85,731. So what is the first face value? 8. So it is the number itself only. Same only we will write. And here the place value of 8 is, it is in the place of C. 1 is in the place of ones, 3 is in the place of tens, 7 is in the place of hundreds, 5 is in the place of 1000 and 8 is in the place of 10,000. So what is the place value? That is 8, 10,000 or we will write 80,000. Right? Face value means the number itself. Place value means the position of the number. Okay. Now second numeral 28,436. So what is the face value here? That is 8, number itself. So we will write 8. Now what is the position of the 8? Means place value. So 6 is in the place of ones, 3 is in the place of tens, 4 is in the place of hundreds and 8 is in the place of 1000. So we will write 8,000 or 8,000. Okay. Now next 32,481. So here what is the face value of 8? That is the number itself same. So 8 only we will write. Now what is the place value of 8? So see, 1 is in the place of ones and 8 is in the place of tens. So 8 tens or we will write 80. Now next 91,358. So what is the face value of 8? So the same number itself, so in face value we will write same 8. Now in place value 8 is in the place of ones, so we will write 8 ones or 8. Now next topic is ordering of numbers. A numeral having more numbers of digits is greater than the numeral having less number of digits. See, for example, in first digit, in first numeral, how many digits are there? 1 and 2, 2 digits, okay? In second numeral, how many digits are there? Only 1. So which one is greatest? The numeral having the 2 digits, that is greatest. Yes, no? Okay, so which sign we will do? So greater than sign. So here 10 is greater than 9. Means 2 digit number is greater than 1 digit number. Okay. Now here see in second example, here in numeral how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. How we will read the digit? 137. In second numeral how many digits are there? 1, 2. How we will read the digit? 97. So now here which digit is greater? 137, and here 3 digits are there and here 2 digits are there. Now from here only we come to know numeral which having 3 digits, that is greater than the numeral which having 2 digits. Okay, so sign we will write like this, greater than sign. So 3 digit number is greater than 2 digit number, right? So if both the numeral have the same number of digits, then we compare them by comparing the digits at highest place value and then moving from left to right to the next lower place value. If both the digits have the same, both the numeral have the same number. See here also 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits and 4 digits. So here what we will do? We will compare the highest place value. Okay, so highest place value is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So in both the numeral, thousand is the highest place value. So in thousands place, which digit is there? 4. And here thousands place, which digit is there? 7. So now we will compare between 4 and 7. Which one is the greatest? Yes, 7. So 7845 is greater than 4352. Okay, so this way we will do comparison when the digits are same in the numeral. Now our next topic is successor and predecessor. Now what is successor? The successor of a number is that number that comes just after it. Okay, right, we are writing like a after number, right? So after number is known as a successor number. It is obtained by adding 1 to the number. What we will do, we will just add 1 to that number and we will get a successor number. So see, for example, we want to write the successor of 4,56,987. So what we will do, just we will add 1 to that number. So 4,56,987 plus 1. So how much we will get? So in 7 plus 1 we will get here 8. So next successor number 4,56,987 is 4,56,988. Okay, now same way, now we have to write a predecessor. Predecessor means before number. The predecessor of a number is the number that comes just before it. Okay, just before it, it is obtained by subtracting 1 from the number. So here in predecessor, what we will do, we will subtract 1 from that number. See, for example, the predecessor of 4,56,987 is, so we have to find out this number predecessor, 1 before number. So what we will do? So 4,56,987 minus 1. So now 7 minus 1 we will get 6. So what is the predecessor number? 4,56,986. Okay children, I hope you understood the all topics.